People are used to using manual caulking guns. However, the biggest problem is that it is not easy to regulate the flow of material all the time. In other words, it is inefficient and ineffective. Our Cordless caulking gun is perfectly designed for both DIY and professional user. First, it only weighs 1.2 kilograms. Second, high-efficiency ball-screw transmission is applied instead of traditional rank transmission. Since the efficiency is twice higher, a 7.4 voltage lithium battery is surely powerful enough. The maximum expelled force is more than 300 kilograms. Nowadays, people start to take environmental issues seriously. This is exactly what we care about as well. Our gun is certified by CE and RoHS and patented in Taiwan and US. With the selection of lithium-ion batteries, which are well known by its low self-discharge rate without memory effect. This tool is not just an innovation, but an applicable innovation changing the way we live. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Now, just give it a try.